Hi, in the previous video, we were talking about shallow copies of lists. We know that only the reference to a sublist is copied if there are nested lists. If we need a full copy, we need a deep copy. Deep copies are the subject of this lecture. So, if we want a full copy of a list, along with all the sublists, we need a deep copy. There is a deep copy method in the module copy, which you have to import first. So, from copy, import deep copy. And now let's define a list, sports. Well, this is the list from the previous video, and now we'll make a deep copy using the imported method. So, sports copy equals deep copy sports. Now let's check it out. Our original list, sports, and our sports copy list. Well, the deep copy method seems to have worked. But let's check it out. First, let's change a simple element in the copy. The change should be visible only in the copy. Let's change this element, for example, soccer to football again. So, sports copy element at index 0 should be changed to football. And now, here's our original list, sports. As you can see, this change is not visible here. And now, our copy. Here we have the change. Soccer was changed to football. So this works just like with shallow copies. How about changing an element inside the nested list? Okay, let's try to change javelin throw to discus throw again. Sports copy element at index 2, and then inside this nested list, index 1. And we want to change this to discus throw. Fine. And now the sublist in the original should remain untouched, whereas in the copy we should see the change in the sublist. So let's check it out. Sports, our original list. Here we still have javelin throw. How about the copy? Here we can see the change. So it works. Now we have a full copy. Not only these elements have been copied, but also the list, the sublist. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.